So today I'm finally going to get around to replacing our old TV antenna with the new Winegard 360 Plus, Air 360 Plus that is. So we're going to jump into it right after this. Alright, so before we get started, just to go over a few things. The old antenna looks like a UFO crashing at Roswell. It's been that way since the first summer we started traveling due to some trees we got caught up in up around Mackinaw. So before we can actually get started, I had to order some roof resealant tape, Self Piercing. I got 1 inch, and I also have some lap sealant to go around the edges for good measure once I'm done. The Winegard 360 Plus actually has your TV antenna right there on top, and if you look inside, there is a cell booster and a Wi-Fi booster built in. My main function that I want to get working is the TV, so I probably won't be messing with anything else. The nice thing with this Winegard, however, is if you already have an older TV connection, you can connect from the outside. There's a little connector there that you would run a cable from that up to the top. So depending on what type of TV antenna you're pulling out, it depends on how you're going to wire it back in. Ours is, like I said, the UFO style, and the wire's already coming up through the ceiling, so we're just going to put this right on top of where the old one was. So let's take a look at what we have upstairs. So first things first, I got to remove this. Yes, I have taped it up, and it's still bad. It's supposed to be level. So I got to dig all this stuff up, pull this off, and then figure out what we're going to do on how this all connects together. So that is step one. Old antenna is out. I'm going to basically put down my roof sealant over that as well, though it probably doesn't need it, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then we go ahead and connect up the Winegard and see if things are going to work. Tape down. I'm going to make a little slit so it fits better and slip those other pieces in, but it fits. I taped over the old hole. I'm going to put tape around the exterior of the Winegard on the base, and then seal this whole thing up. We'll see what happens. Almost there. Wow, that actually went up easier than I thought. Basically, I did lap seal all the way around just for good measure. So it's taped, lap sealed, and Dawn did a new scan on the TV channels, and it actually looks better than before by a lot. So this is a big upgrade. Air 360 by Winegard. One more quick note, another big thumbs up for this little giant ladder. It has those handles that you could extend to go straight up on the roof with, but it also can help you not have to put the ladder against the awning. So very cool little addition to this ladder. 2 thumbs up for that ladder. And that should do it for this episode. Make sure that you hit that subscription button. What else? Notification bell lets you know when we post every Sunday at 2. Thumbs up for good measure. See you on the road, and we'll be seeing better TV on the road as well now. So, till next time.